Hi everyone, it's a beautiful morning out there today.
Hi.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to make matcha oats. I have always loved matcha and there are tons of benefits that come along with adding matcha to your diet. But lately, it's been hot and for some reason I kind of want like a kick of umami, but I don't want something so rich, and I think matcha is that good in-between place. And before we get into this video, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. First, you'll need to heat up a half a cup of water and a half a cup of rice milk. Then add about a 3/4 cup of rolled oats. You'll want to keep stirring so that it doesn't burn, and once it starts boiling, bring down the heat and keep stirring. Take the saucepan off the heat and add about 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. You'll also want to add a pinch of salt and also add about half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir the mixture. Then mash in a banana and you're almost about done. And for toppings, I've added a fruit and nut mixture and also melted some dark chocolate. And voila! Matcha oats!